Now, I'm Joby Coppard from Coppards Plant Hire. We do concrete, plant hire and bits of engineering. We've got about 40 HGV vehicles, and we use TrafficAngel for our vehicle monitoring of the camera systems, etc., for pedestrians and stuff. Online originally, just picked a local company along with a couple of other companies. The reason for picking TrafficAngel was locality to us, our head office, and also the price was competitive too. It doesn't necessarily help prevent stuff necessarily. It just helps prevent, say, a claim where somebody said something, our driver may say one thing and the other side said something else. Just clears all ambiguity up between the two. Obviously, say compared to the old system, the new system, it doesn't bleep nowhere near as much. System with traffic financial and stuff along the road, and if it's a pedestrian, it tells you the pedestrian rather than something else. You can order, then you can sort of give a slot within not too distant future, a couple of weeks, outfit it, and no problem. Could always make it cheaper. Yep, I have recommended it.